All right, show them how it's done, Jay.
Hey everyone, this is Barbara with NurseToNature, and I'm so glad that you're here. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see that I'm in my kitchen making something my family uses every year during cold and flu season. Today we're talking about fire cider, a traditional herbal tonic, and I'm also making lemon, ginger, pineapple shots, which we'll talk more about towards the end. I'm going to walk you through the benefits of these ingredients and share some wisdom along the way, because health is about more than what we just eat. And if holistic health, natural living, and practical wellness is something you're interested in, please feel free to follow along at NurseToNature on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Spotify. Before we start, everything shared here is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research using peer-reviewed journals. Many of the studies I reference come from the NIH PubMed database. And always talk with the healthcare professional managing your care before making any changes. When I went through a season of not feeling my best, it really shifted how I started looking at my health. I began leaning more into a holistic approach, not just focusing on symptoms, but asking what my body actually needed to heal and function the way it was created to. That's what led me back to the kitchen, back to simple ingredients, and back to understanding that God was intentional with what he placed on this earth. In Psalms 104:14, it talks about how he created plants for us to cultivate and use. And in Jeremiah 30:17, he reminds us that he is the one who restores our health and heals our wounds. So for me, this isn't just about food. It's about stewardship, wisdom, and learning how to support the body in a way that it was designed. Sovereignty means taking ownership of your life, taking charge of your spiritual connection, and learning to trust your own inner guidance. And when it comes to your health, that becomes really important because no one lives in your body but you. Choosing a more holistic approach doesn't mean rejecting modern medicine. It means becoming more aware, more informed, and more involved in your own care. It's learning how your body responds, understanding what supports it, and using the resources God has already placed here for us with wisdom. That's where true empowerment comes from. Not fear, but knowledge, discernment, and taking responsibility for your health in a way that aligns with how your body was designed. Fire cider is a powerful combination of ingredients that have been used traditionally to support the immune system. The version I make includes apple cider vinegar, garlic, onion, jalapeños, red peppers, cayenne peppers, turmeric or turmeric, ginger, lemons, oranges, thyme, and cloves. When these ingredients are combined and infused, they create a tonic rich in plant compounds that support the body in multiple ways. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid and has been studied for supporting blood sugar balance, digestion, and microbial balance in the gut. Garlic is one of the most researched medicinal foods and contains compounds like allicin that have antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, while also supporting heart health and helping the body manage oxidative stress. Onions contain quercetin, which has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects and its role in supporting immune health. The peppers, including jalapeños, red bell peppers, and cayenne, contain capsaicin, which supports circulation, helps open the sinuses, and can stimulate the body's natural defense response. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been widely studied for its ability to support inflammation, joint health, brain health, and overall cellular protection. Ginger is a key ingredient in both the fire cider and the lemon ginger pineapple shots. It contains compounds that support digestion, circulation, immune function, and inflammation balance. It has also been studied for antimicrobial effects and has been explored in research for its activity against certain organisms, including T. gondii or Toxoplasma gondii. This parasite can form cysts in the body, which is why researchers continue to study ways to support the body in managing it. Currently, there are not a lot of medications that actually work on the latent form of T. gondii that produces these cysts. So when I was doing my research, I was very excited to see that ginger is one of the very few compounds that will actually target the cysts formed by T. gondii. And citrus fruits like lemons and oranges provide vitamin C and antioxidants that support immune function and help protect the body from oxidative stress. Thyme contains compounds like thymol that have antimicrobial properties and has traditionally been used to support respiratory health. Cloves contain eugenol, which has strong antioxidant and antimicrobial activity and supports the body's natural defense system. And when all of these ingredients come together, they create a tonic that most people use during cold and flu season. It's commonly taken at the first sign of a sore throat, congestion, or when you feel run down. The combination of ingredients helps support the body's natural ability to defend itself and to recover. Now, toward the end of this, I also make lemon ginger pineapple shots, which I personally like to incorporate regularly. Ginger supports digestion, immune function, and inflammation balance. Lemon provides vitamin C and supports the body's natural detox pathways. And pineapple adds another layer of powerful support. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has been studied for its ability to support digestion, reduce inflammation, and help the body break down proteins more efficiently. It's also been looked at for supporting sinus health and reducing swelling, which is very helpful during those times of congestion. Pineapple is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps protect the body from oxidative stress. And it also contributes to overall liver support as part of a nutrient-rich diet. These lemon ginger pineapple shots are something I like to use consistently as part of a routine cleanse that supports my body, including the liver and overall balance in the body. As you can see in the pictures, I had a cyst near my eye that actually just fell off. Everyone's body is different, and this is just part of a routine cleanse that I do that detoxes the liver and helps eliminate parasites as well. So doing this for 3 consecutive days, and this cyst that I had near my eye just completely went away. All of the ingredients that I've listed work together to support the body's natural detoxification process, and many of them have been studied for their role in helping the body maintain microbial balance as well. Supporting the liver is important because it plays a central role in filtering and processing what comes into the body, and it has the ability to regenerate when it's given the right environment and nutrients. When you step back and look at all of this combined, it is a reminder that small daily habits can have a big impact over time. Using herbs, spices, and whole foods consistently is one way to support your body, not just when you're sick, but as a part of your everyday routine. If you're interested in making these, I'll have the recipe available in the description below for you. Before we close, I want to leave you with a few verses that remind me of how connected creation and healing really are. Psalms 104:14 says, "He causes the grass to grow for the cattle and plants for people to cultivate, bringing forth food from the earth." Jeremiah 30:17 says, "For I will restore health to you, and your wounds I will heal, declares the Lord." To me, that's a powerful reminder that God created the earth with things that nourish us, and He is also the source of true healing. We are called to be good stewards of our bodies, to use wisdom, and to create environments in our homes that support peace, health, and life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this encouraged you, or you learned something new, feel free to follow along at NurseToNature on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Spotify for more conversations about holistic health and living with wisdom. Until next time, take care of your body, protect your peace, and keep choosing the things that bring life into your home.